I got these faux windows or magnets from Amazon, and these hardware, they're like plasticky, to amp up my garage because my whole house is pretty white. It's kind of drab, so let's see how it looks. And I was about to start and the garage is dirty, so we're gonna power wash it first. If you don't have a power washer, no worries. Just grab a brush or a sponge, wipe the garage clean, and hose it off. Make sure it's dry before putting on the magnets though. Of course, the hubby comes in right after and redoes what I just did. So while I wait, I'm gonna work on my cartwheels, my jumps, and oh look, stairs! Alright you guys, let's put these on. They're literally flappy and magnetic, and it's super easy. And my husband's gonna get mad at me because he likes to measure everything, and I will eyeball everything, and then he'll come and redo it. Did you guys see that he redid me washing the garage? That's our life, you guys. That's our life. All right, let's see how this goes. So I first eyeballed it and double checked with the measuring stick. Lo and behold, I wasn't off. See, I do know how to eyeball it.
Eyeball it and then confirm like that.
Okay, honey, I'll confirm like that. I decided to take heed of my hun's advice and continue to measure for an accurate, even alignment. Just to let you know, also, it's been 4 months since I put these, and we've had horrible winds, and they're still holding on and looking really good. 2 of my neighbors even text me complimenting the new look. You guys, this is super easy. Look at, dude, it has little magnets, and you just stick it. And my garage looks amazing now. All for like, I don't know, 20 bucks? I don't remember. Okay, it wasn't 20 bucks, but it was just like $37. Not too shabby. Go get yourself some. Yay, new garage look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.